think
Chopper.
about the chapter, man? What do you think about?
The chapter was amazing. A big twist at the end. It was worth it. It was a nice chapter. Good one.
It was worth it.
Yes, it was
What
worth the
what
wait.
was it worth?
Yeah,
It was worth the wait.
yeah, and Chopper was really portrayed like Chopper was portrayed really good.
Hmm.
Like his character development in this chapter was really good.
Character
So yeah,
development, it has always
Chopper
been his
like
character. I mean, this was his character
no,
to begin with in the first place.
no, this was his episode to shine. Like
Yeah, he
one of the
got, yeah,
episodes to shine.
yeah, he did his thing like he does, like he did his thing in Punk Hazard, right?
Dude,
He
he's
did
a
his
doctor,
thing
right?
right here.
He's a
Mm-hmm.
medic. He's supposed to heal people, and that's what he did exactly.
Yeah, we knew that Hogoro the Flower wasn't going to die
Hmm.
in one chapter. I mean, Oda brought
Yeah,
him back in
Hmm.
previous chapter, gave
yeah, of course, everyone,
they
yeah, of course,
gave him the
everyone knew
power of,
about that though.
he wasn't going to die. So that was a sloppy end in the previous chapter. But
Mm-hmm.
this chapter, yeah, he did his thing. He saved him. I mean, Marco, but King, I mean, he's so lame. What is he doing? What is he doing right now? He was supposed to fight Marco. He was supposed to hold off Marco at least, if
Hmm.
not if not
Mm-hmm.
defeat him, quote unquote.
Hmm.
What is he doing now? What do you think he's doing now? He's so lame. Like, what is he going to do something in this arc?
No, I think he hasn't revealed his full potential yet because Oda wouldn't let go of someone so strong like that.
I'm not saying he's weak.
Yes,
I'm just saying that
he's
he's
not definitely
lame.
weak, but he's not doing anything which is of a great significance, right? At least for now.
Yeah, he's a first commander. Imagine if Katakuri is in his place. Just imagine that
Hmm.
for a second. What would have happened? He
He would
wouldn't
have
have
go all
let
in.
Marco.
King is definitely scared of Marco and all that stuff, but for some reason I think he's holding back.
He can't be holding back. He's fighting against
Yeah, he's
Marco.
fighting
What are you
Marco.
talking?
Why do you think
He's fighting
he'll even
Marco.
hold back?
If he's holding back, then he's an idiot. Why is he
Yes,
holding
he's an
back? I
idiot.
mean,
Yeah.
he doesn't care about him and Queen. Both of them, they don't care about their subordinates anyway. I mean, Queen literally gave the virus to his people,
Hmm.
so I don't think that King will care
Hmm.
about them also. So going all out isn't a problem.
Hmm. No, I don't think he's
He's
holding
just
back by
lame.
any means.
He's
I
just
think
lame.
he's up to something, right? Because we all know how Oda surprises us every week. So I think he's up to something. He's building upon something.
It could be the
Yes,
case. I mean, he's the
this
first
could be the
commander.
case.
I mean, he is going to do something big. I'm
Hmm.
just waiting for it. I mean, so far he is lame. He's
Hmm.
very lame, mid at best.
Mm-hmm.
Compared to that, look at Marco. Like, holy shit.
Queen is actually doing something, right? He's not holding back like King.
Yeah, Queen. I mean, so who do you think is fighting Queen now? Is it going to be Drake because we saw Drake this chapter? Is
Hmm.
it going to be Drake or is it going to be Hogoro the Flower? I mean,
No,
Hogoro
he's
the
back in
Flower
his
get
normal form, right?
who? Queen.
Yoguro, or is he still buffed after he
Yeah,
took the
I don't
medicine?
know.
Yes.
Yeah,
You know, after he
we
took
don't
the
know that.
medicine, he's back in his normal form.
Is he?
Yes, I think so. Wait, let me check.
I don't think so.
Wait, let me check. Let me check. Let me check.
We never got to see him. Yeah, we didn't
No,
get to
wait,
see
wait.
him.
When Chopper punches Queen and says that my name is not Tanuki, we get a glimpse of him for a few that panel, well, not for a few seconds of.
He's back. Yeah, he's back in his old form.
Yes.
Yeah, he's weak now.
Hmm.
So I mean,
So it's not
so is
Yoguro, of
Chopper going to
course.
fight him?
Yeah, probably Chopper and Drake.
Chopper and Drake.
Hmm. That's a weird
Then who
combination,
the
but
hell is
that could
Sanjay
be.
going to fight? Then who's Sanjay going to fight?
I don't know, man. Black Maria maybe, but no, he's not supposed to beat women,
Because
right?
no, Black Maria. Robin is fighting.
Yes, Robin
Robin
is
is
fighting.
fighting
Oh,
Black Maria. What are you talking about?
hmm.
Robin is fighting Black Maria, and we thought that Sanjay is going to fight Jack, but Jack is
Hmm.
going in the direction of the Scabbards, right? To kill
Hmm.
to kill the Scabbards. But we got to see the Scabbards. They are
Hmm.
back up, and who the hell is he? That's not Odin. There's definitely not Odin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not Odin.
No, yeah, he was, yeah, he died. He died. Yeah. So like, why do you think he'll be?
So, dude, I don't think
I
it's
don't
Born
know.
But
Clay.
if you look at
Because Bon Clay, when he's transforming into other characters, he has this what is called flamingos on his back, right? Every time. He's not totally changed. He's semi like changed, if you know what I mean.
No, he changed completely into Magellan.
Yes.
Remember?
Yeah, he did change completely.
He completely changed into Magellan. If he really wanted, he can change
Yeah.
into anyone. But what really gives it away?
But
Look
dude,
at his
I think
sports.
this
Look at his
character,
sports.
this
Both of
Odin,
the sports are different.
dude, I think this person who's impersonating Odin is that mysterious character from a few chapters ago, right?
Yes,
So
it is him.
So it is.
It could be him. Yeah,
Maybe
it
it's
could be
Bon
very well
Clay.
him.
Maybe it's Bon Clay escaping from Impel Down. Maybe it's Katrina Devon, or maybe it's Kanjuro who is still alive and it's his drawing.
Yeah, it could be
No,
his
but
drawing.
it is. But is it possible that
Send him into
Toki
the future,
send
right?
him? Yeah. At the very end, like he was just about to die, and she sent him like in some future.
No,
So
that would be no,
But
yeah,
that
dude,
would be
also that dude,
that would
but
be really lame. Really,
but
really
yo,
lame.
that
That
would
would
be
be
lame,
really
right?
lame. I
yeah,
wanted Odin to die. I want him to be dead. I
But
don't
dude,
want him
there's
to be
also this
alive right
panel
now.
which says when Odin says, "Aren't you sad?" It's a death sentence, and Toki is like, "Who said you are going to die?"
Yeah, but I said it right. But that could be a callback to remember when Chopper's mentor, whatever, Dr. Hirulu.
Hmm.
Yeah, he quoted before he died
Hmm.
that a man is only forgotten when a man
when
is
he's
only
dead.
dead when he's forgotten.
Hmm. A man is dead when he's forgotten by everyone else, right?
So that could be a callback to that quote. Like Odin is not going to die. He's going to die in a physical form, but he's going to be alive in our memories forever. It could be that, but it could also be that Togi really sent him into the future, and that would be really lame. If
If
this is
Odin,
Odin, if this is really Odin,
hmm.
I mean that would be really lame, really lame. I
Because he got an
refuse.
honorable death, right?
Yeah, I mean, what would be the purpose of him coming here, man? To fight Kaido again? Like, what is he going to do?
Hmm.
Yeah, if Odin is there, then the whole plot will be like it'll be really lame, to be honest. Yeah.
Like,
So
literally a Yonko level dude, literally a Yonko level
just
dude is running
just
around.
arriving from nowhere.
Yeah,
Like
who
it will
do
be good, but it will be really lame.
it would the storytelling wise it would be really lame. My bet is Katrina Devon. I think it is her. It is
My no, my bet is on like they are seeing Odin in front of them, like his soul. You understand?
soul.
Like he's not there, but
No, but
yeah,
no.
exactly how you said, in their memories, you
No,
said,
Dude,
remember,
here's the
no,
thing.
like that.
no,
Dude,
that
here's the
can't be.
thing.
Wait a minute,
Okay.
wait a minute. No, it can't be a soul because remember what did Kawamatsu say? Someone healed their wounds
Hmm.
while they were knocked out. Someone healed them, and he got a glimpse of that person, and he couldn't believe his eyes because it was Odin. Odin, whoever this guy is, Odin guy, whoever he is, he healed them. He healed the scabbards
Hmm.
and then he appeared. So it can't be a soul. So it can't be a mental thing like the scabbards are seeing
Illusion
him
or a
out of
ghost or
nowhere.
something.
Yeah, it is not an illusion because he literally healed their wounds. That's why they
Yes.
are up right now.
Hmm.
And Jack is going towards that direction to
Dude,
get clapped again.
I have this proof that
he's
I
going
have
to
this
be
thing.
going to get clapped again.
Dude, I have this thing which can be potentially a proof that this Odin is not real. First of all, open the last panel of this chapter. That theorize for yourself one.
Theorize for yourself, and the swords give it away, right? These
No.
are not his swords.
Yes,
These are
exactly.
completely two
Look at the
different
left ones,
swords.
and if he's really from the past, then he must have had Enma, right? Enma and that other one sword. But not this one. These
But
swords are
remember,
completely different.
But to counter that, I can say that remember that when Odin was held captive before he was going to be executed,
Yes.
Toki came and met her,
Hmm.
and Odin gave his swords away to Toki.
Oh, yes.
You
That
remember
could have
that?
been it.
He
Yes.
gave his swords away to Toki, so he didn't have his sword. And even if Toki sent him into the future, he would not have his swords with him because he left the swords in Wano
Hmm.
to Kitet. What was his name? That
Did it?
the guy who makes his swords, we got him in the first chapter of Wano. That
Pitatsu.
yeah, yeah, his name. He gave it, Toki gave it to him,
Hmm.
and then sent. And if she sent Oden into the future, he
Hmm.
doesn't have his own sword. So these two could be a completely different sword. But my guess, it could be Katrina Devon. But look at the dialogue, right?
Hmm.
What Oden says. I was hoping our paths would cross again.
Hmm.
You aged quite a bit. You all aged quite a bit.
Hmm.
So he remembers how they looked
Hmm.
20 years ago,
Hmm.
and now he's looking at them again,
Hmm.
and he also sees the difference that
Hmm.
20 years make. So he's looking at them like they have been aged fine, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this
So it is possible. No, it is
that this is
possible
Oden
that Toki sent him
into the
right
future.
now.
No,
Yeah,
what
No,
if,
at
right
this
dude?
now.
moment, like
What
Like
at
if,
this
just
moment.
just a day before.
dude?
Do you
What if
You
think?
know,
Toki?
Let me ask this, right? Let
Hmm.
me ask this. Do you think that Toki can see into the future, or she can just go into the future, or both?
Or I think it's both,
I
right?
think she can go. No, I think she can go into future and not see it
So you're saying that she
because
can only
because
go into the future. She can only guess.
yeah, because as when Odin first saved her, she wanted to go to Wano. But if she had the power, like she could directly go in future Wano and not some other island in future. You
But
know?
remember her. What was her? What do you call it? Uh, she uh, she said to Kaido that on the night of the full moon, the
Hmm.
9 shadows would
Present
come
that.
and revenge Odin,
Hmm.
right? So that means she knew the future.
Hmm.
Basically, she was telling him that nine
Hmm.
shadows will come on the full moon day of
Hmm.
this fire festival, and then will kill you.
Hmm.
So she knew the future. So I think she could see into the future. That's why she sent Odin at this exact same moment. If this is really Odin, that is.
Dude, here's my
I don't
thing.
think it's Odin.
What if Toki sent Odin a few days before his execution and Odin died after coming back to the past, right? In this way, Odin will be dead and alive simultaneously.
No, I don't think Oda would make it that complicated.
Hmm.
It's going to be really simple. Either
Hmm.
it is,
Either
first
it is
of all, I
someone
don't
else
think,
or either it is Odin.
yeah, I think it's definitely someone else. It has to
Hmm.
be. This is just to bring their scabbards a little bit hope and then ultimately crush it.
Hmm. I think this is supposed to be that mysterious character, right?
Remember,
And if we
yeah,
compare
yeah.
this,
Remember what happened?
hmm.
Yeah,
Remember
he's
what?
the mysterious character, I guess so.
Hmm.
But why?
But
But
dude,
my question
this look.
to that would be,
Hmm.
listen. My question to that would be, why would he heal the scabbards?
Hmm.
If he's Katrina Devon, if she's Katrina Devon,
Hmm.
and if she's with the Blackbeard Pirates, of course,
Hmm.
why would she heal the scabbards? So that also
To
throws a
prove a
wrench into
point
the
that I am
things.
actually Odin and I'm not someone else, maybe to gain
Yeah,
their
to
trust and then
brave
to betray them afterwards.
could be because she
Hmm.
did that with Gecko Moria, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she turned into Absalom and then talked to him for 2-3 minutes and then changed
Hmm.
into that. So if so, that means that if Blackbeard is here,
Hmm.
let's just say that theoretically if Blackbeard is here, then Shiryu could
Yes.
be here somewhere too,
Hmm.
invisible, just roaming. Imagine how scary that is.
He could be spectating everyone.
Yeah, he could be just be roaming around like what bitch.
Guys, let's not go there. Being Blackbeard in Wano is really a topic of another video.
No, why is the
No,
topic of another?
this is still
This
on
is a
topic.
clue.
No,
Yeah,
This
this
is
is
because
still.
no, because there are so many possibilities. Like
so.
if
Who do you
if
think it is?
Shiryu,
Who do you think this is?
according to me, he should be Odin. Like
So
I
you
don't know.
think this is then? This is
It
Dude,
him
dude,
can
dude,
be.
then?
dude,
It can be. No, he can be an illusion. He
dude,
can
wait a
be,
second.
but
Wait a
I
second. Wait a
don't
second.
think like there will be any Blackbeard pirate related thing. He
Hmm.
can be an illusion, as I said before, or he can be the real Odin.
No, I think this is
But I don't.
Blackbeard.
Yeah.
This could potentially be Blackbeard because Blackbeard wants Marco's devil fruit, right? And Marco is here, and somehow he knows that.
No, my Blackbeard doesn't want Marco's devil fruit.
Hmm.
When did he hint that?
No, he didn't hint that, but it's a
Remember Marco fought Marco and the
Hmm.
remnants of the Whitebeard
Yeah,
pirates.
during
Uh,
the war, another
payback
war,
Hmm.
payback war.
he could, yeah, he could have gotten it really easily.
Yeah, he could have
because
gotten
he
it then.
defeated the rest of. Yeah, I don't think so.
I don't think he's here for the fruit. I think he's here for the poneglyph,
Hmm.
and if any fruit, he's here for
Hmm.
Kaido's fruit.
Hmm.
Yeah, not Marco's. If there is a choice between two fruit,
No,
Marco's and Kaido's, I would take Kaido's any day.
Because it's
no,
impossible for him to die,
but
right?
if
One
he
on one.
no, but if he really no,
Hmm.
but if he really wants the Poneglyph, don't you think the Big Mom, like the Big Mom pirates, is really weak right now in the Whole Cake Island?
Yeah, and
Hmm.
So if I were to be the Blackbeard, I would really go in Whole Cake Island and
Hmm.
destroy it and take the
no,
Poneglyph.
he is on his way.
I wouldn't.
He is on his way somewhere because he wants something which the
Hmm.
Navy
Hmm.
wants, which the Navy didn't go for.
Yeah,
Hmm.
of course
Which the
he
Navy
is.
didn't go for. He said that if the Navy isn't going to take it, then I'm going to take it. So
Hmm.
he's somewhere. He's gone somewhere.
Okay, dude. Here's the thing. I think this theory is stupid, but just hear me out, okay? What if this is the Fox guy and he healed every single one's wound, and now he's just motivating them, turning into Odin?
But how would he turn into Odin?
Well, because he can, yeah, he has shape shifting abilities, right? He can turn into a
Yeah,
fox.
because he served him, na? He served him or something.
Hmm.
He does not have shape shifting abilities. When did we see that?
Yeah, he turned into that
Hmm.
the person who collected all the weapons. So yeah, he can shapeshift, I guess.
Hmm.
No, he didn't turn into that person. He was a devil fruit user.
Hmm.
And he either turned into a fox or he either turned into that human being.
But
It's
dude,
either
here's the
one of
thing.
them.
Here's the thing. In order for Bon Clay to, disguise someone, he has to touch him. We know that. So I don't think
Yeah,
it's
when
Bon
did he
Clay.
touch Odin? When did he
Yes.
touch Odin?
So
Yeah,
I
it
don't think
can't
it's
be
Bon
Von
Clay.
Clay. Yeah, it can't be. It can either be Katrina Devon or it is Odin himself, or it is the most likely thing is this is Kanjuro's drawing, and Kanjuro is still not dead yet. Of course, why would he be dead?
Hmm.
Off-screened,
Hmm.
one of the scabbards,
Hmm.
and the traitor, that
And
too
dude,
of all
here's my
people, the
another
traitor.
theory. I don't think it
Yeah,
is
No,
Devon
but
either.
if Kanjuro drew them, how
Hmm.
do you think he'll heal their wounds? And why
Hmm.
will he if he's the traitor?
Because Kanjuro knows, right?
exactly.
Kanjuro actually knows them. Kanjuro actually knows how Odin behaved and how everything happened and all that stuff. So that could be a possibility as well.
Yeah, but why? Yeah, but why do you think he'll heal them if he's with Kaido?
The
Why do you
healing,
think he'll heal them?
the healing thing is just bugging me. The
Dude,
healing thing.
here's the
Otherwise,
thing. Here's the thing. Here's the
the
thing.
theory fits perfectly, except for the healing,
According to me,
right?
this can be Devon either. Because how would she knows how Odin is like to behave like him, right? I think it's probably Odin.
Yeah, it has to be Odin or his illusion or something. Yeah, to motivate the scarebirds. But if he is the if he is the illusion or something,
Hmm.
then all the then healing thing is bugging, and if he is the in his and if he is the real Odin, then everything it
If because he said that, right? Because that
Hmm.
you guys have aged well.
Hmm.
Uh,
And
if
here's
someone
the
says
thing.
that, which
The
means
final
that
panel.
you've seen them 20 years before.
Yes.
That's why he's acknowledging the difference
yeah,
20
yeah, of
years after.
course.
And course, dude, here's the
Yeah,
thing.
which means he's the real Odin and he's been sent into the
Man.
future
Dude, the second last panel,
right
right?
before.
But we
Right,
but
right.
we
Yeah,
literally saw Odin dying. We literally
Hmm.
saw Kaido put a bullet in his head, literally in his
Hmm.
forehead.
But dude, as I
Like
said,
how
my
could he come
theory.
back from
Maybe this is
that?
this
How could he come
complicated,
back
right?
from that?
Maybe my theory is right. What if Toki sent Odin a few days before his death? I
But
know
how
this is
could she?
highly.
We literally saw him. We literally saw Kaido put a
Hmm.
bullet in his
Yes, kidding him. But
forehead.
here's the thing. He sent Toki actually sent Odin days before his execution to the future to defeat Kaido, and then Odin somehow came back, and then he got executed.
That would be too
guys, how
complicated.
did no it
But you
is it
cannot come back.
possible that no
But
wait.
listen.
Is it okay?
But
Dude,
you're saying that before, let's just say a night before his execution, Toki sent him 20 years into the future. Then he killed Kaido, and then he somehow came back for the execution. But
Right.
remember what Toki said: people can only go into the future; they cannot go into the past, no matter what happens.
That is also
They
thing.
cannot go into the past.
Because dude,
No, can I
Only go
say
into-
something? Can I say something?
yeah.
Can I say
Yeah.
something? Is it possible that the that woman with Orochi, she turned into Odin, like she was the previous user of the same devil fruit which Bon Clay
Yes.
uses.
Yeah.
So don't you think like she'll be him and she's executed and not Odin? Is it possible?
Wait, that's mad
No,
theory.
I don't think it's possible. She could be. How
I
could she
don't think
lift
that's
all the
possible.
9 scabbards up for an hour in a boiling oil?
Yes, I don't think she's that strong.
She can't be that strong.
But dude, here's the thing. Here's why I believe this is Odin. Because in the second last panel, Odin, his might, he actually feels like Odin. He actually feels like how Odin is supposed to talk with his subordinates.
His laugh is exactly what Odin's laugh is. If you look at his laugh, he has the same laugh as Odin, and he also looks like Odin. He talks like Odin. I mean, like, this is absolute mindfuck. I mean, how the hell is he alive if this is really Odin, and what the hell is he going to do from this point? That's what I want to know.
Man, I have two
Is
theories.
he going to defeat
This
Kaido
is-
with Luffy? Like what? What was he doing when Ace was executed? Like why didn't he go fight the Marines? He was a second division commander, right? If he was alive all this time, then maybe Toki sent him into the future and this and that. Man, like, and there is a break next week. Like,
So I think here's the thing. Here's the final thing. I don't think it's Bon Clay because in order for Bon Clay to change himself in something else, he has to touch it. I don't think it's Devon because Devon she doesn't know how to behave like Odin. So I think this is Odin in fact, or they are just hallucinating or something. What if this is Yamato and they are just hallucinating, looking at Yamato?
no, this is not Yamato. Yamato is with them.
Yeah, he's fighting someone. So like, how do you think? Yeah,
That,
it will be.
that was a joke, of course. It was not serious.
This is not Yamato. I mean, like, what the hell, man? Like, what? What
So,
the hell
yeah.
is he going to do now?
So
Fight Kaido? Fight Kaido?
what do you think? Like,
Dude, I'm placing my bets
according
on.
to me,
I'm
yeah,
placing my
he's
bets
the
on
real
Odin.
Odin.
Yeah, he's the real.
Yeah, he's the real Odin.
You both
No,
think he's
here's the
real
thing.
one.
Here's the thing. For
Yeah,
70, for 70.
yeah.
No. Here's the thing. For 70%, I think it's the real Odin, and for the remaining ones, I think it's Devon because there's no way this is Bon Clay. If this is Bon Clay, Oda has to give some explanations.
Your voice is cracking.
So, I said for the 70%, I think this is Odin, and the remaining percent, I think this is Devon. And if this is Bon Clay,
Umang.
Oda have to give some explanations.
Okay, Umang.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm placing my bets on 90% is he's the real Odin and 10% is hallucinating.
Why don't you ask your brother?
A mindfuck, and it was a strong like 8.5
Yeah.
out of 10.
This is what
Yeah,
reminds
even-
us, right? These are the chapters that remind us that this is why One Piece is so great. Like, literally, in the middle of a fight, we are all mind fucked right now. Don't know what to think.
Odin is just there out of nowhere.
This is the stuff like I signed up for. Like, I'm glad I watched One Piece, man. I'm glad I watched it.
Yeah.
Fucking amazing.
Yeah,
I mean,
so
he's
let's
going.
end it.
He's going to make sense out of this. I trust him. Like, he's going to make sense out of this. It's not going to be.
No,
something-
but
It
no,
bet-
but
it
if
better
he
be not
no, but if he's the Odin, yeah, it has to be Odin or the raid is really failed. You know, like the max, like everyone can defeat his king, queen, and shit, and not Kaido or Big Mom.
If
I
this
don't
is
think
really,
so.
if this
If
is
this-
really
if this
Odin,
really
He has to be the real Odin to to win the raid.
no. If this
according
is the
to
real
me.
Odin, the probability of Stroids winning goes from 30% to 95%. That's a big jump.
100%, 100%.
Yeah.
They are winning this. 100%.
Because previously, like Odin really came really close killing Kaido. So
Yeah,
according to me, yeah,
he lost
he
because
alone,
because
yeah, he alone almost killed him. So being with so many people, of course, he can defeat him really easily.
Hmm.
listen, right?
And
If this
yeah,
really is Odin, right? If this
Hmm.
really is Odin, King is getting washed, Queen getting washed,
Washed.
Jack getting
Getting
washed,
washed.
Big Mom Pirates getting
Getting
washed. He's
washed.
washing everyone,
hmm,
everyone except for Kaido and Big Mom. The
Hmm.
only remaining will be those two, and then they will wash. Luffy and Odin will wash them together. Fuck Kid. Kid can go stuck on a
yeah,
lollipop somewhere.
no, like.
Okay, so I
No,
think.
but yeah, it has to be Odin, or yeah, the raid is really gonna fail, or I don't know if something
Hmm.
happens. But the max everyone can defeat is all the commanders and shit, and not Kaido Big Mom, because yeah,
Yeah,
they are out of
Hmm.
everyone's league right now,
Hmm.
but I don't think
and
it's Odin.
Odin is the
It's
only
definitely.
one who can defeat them.
So yeah,
Yeah,
I
but I
think
don't
that
think it's
was
Odin.
it.
Luffy, this era,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
This is Luffy's era. This is not
World's
Odin's
Federation.
era or Whitebeard's era or Roger's era or
Hmm.
Rox's era or even Shiki's era.
Hmm.
Not Kaido's era, not Big Mom's era. This is Shanks, Blackbeard, Luffy. These three are the main pirates. For me,
Hmm.
these three are the main pirates. So Odin cannot defeat
No,
Kaido.
yeah, they
There's
are
no
no,
way.
they are the main pirate. No, they are the main pirate, but I don't
Hmm.
think it is their era. It is Luffy's era, of course. Luffy, Kid, Law. It's their
Yeah.
era,
Man, I
So
think
this
Oda.
and
can't be
not
Odin.
Shanks Blackbeard.
Man, I think
Yeah,
Oda is
this
going to
can't
prove
be
us all
Odin.
wrong when the chapter
No,
comes
this
out.
is Black. No, this is Blackbeard's era. What are you talking about? This is
No,
Blackbeard's
I'm
era.
not talking about that. I said Oda is going to prove us all wrong when the next chapter comes out.
Yeah, he always
About
does this.
this,
And
about
next
this
chapter,
Odin thing.
yeah, next chapter he's not going to show shit.
What do
I
you
can
think? What
promise
do
you
you
that.
think? What will be the next chapter? According to me, it has to be Kaido's hybrid form.
According to me, it has to be a filler,
I
a
want it
semi-filler
really
episode.
bad.
I
Could
think
be.
it's.
It could be.
I think the next chapter will be a semi-filler episode, semi-filler chapter. Sorry, it will show a little bit of stuff,
About
but for the most part, it will be a action. A little bit of stuff about maybe Kaido.
Definitely not.
Yes, maybe
This,
little bit of stuff about the important stuff, but for the most part, it will be a filler chapter.
yeah, we might. Oh, who else is left now? From the Straw Hats.
Hmm.
We might see Nami and Usopp and
Frankie and all the
Tama.
stuff, right?
Yeah, and Tama and them. We are not going to see this. We are definitely not going to see this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
no,
But
not Tama or everyone. Yeah,
Hmm.
Nami and Usopp is really good.
Hmm.
But yeah, what if we see Bon Clay
No, I
in the
don't think.
right
As,
next
as I said,
chapter?
I don't think it's Born Clay.
Like Bon Clay
but
marching,
no, but
like
Bon Clay. What do you mean outside? Outside of Wano?
yeah, yeah.
Outside of Wano, we need to end the act that for first.
Hmm.
Then we can go outside Wano. So Act
Let's
3.
hope for
I think
something
Act
good
3.
for the next chapter.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's hope for something good then for the next chapter. We have to wait 2
Next
weeks,
Yeah.
chapter.
but we should wait
This
1 week.
raid, each and every chapter except for a couple here and there maybe.
Hmm.
This entire raid has been amazing. So next chapter I think is going to be
So far.
amazing as well. Yeah.
No,
This
no. According to me, the next chapter should be about Kaido's hybrid form, because it has been time that
be.
we see Kaido's. Yeah.
It's been how many
I mean,
chapters
not-
since Oda teased
Or
Kaido's?
maybe or maybe another two chapters max, and we'll see Kaido's hybrid
or
form.
we'll see who's going to fight Queen. Drake, Chopper, who's going to fight Queen. We can see that, and we see King coming back, hopefully doing something and not being trash and fight Marco. I mean, I want to see that. I was hyped for Marco not because of Marco. I was hyped for Marco because Marco was his king. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
I wanted to see that fight.